My name is Anna Voitiuk. I am an artist printmaker. I live in a beautiful Ukrainian city, Lviv, and I study at the Ukrainian Academy of Printing. Most of the time I work at home in my studio. In 2021, I won the first prize in the competition Hommage, trois organized by AIDA. As soon as I read preamble of the competition, I chose category of genre de la Fontaine. I usually depict animals, so fables in which animals are main characters are especially close to me. I love unusual shapes of plates because a rectangular shape often compresses and bounds the image and the idea of it. The Hare and the Tortoise was one of my favorite stories when I was a child. I tried to depict the moment when the hare realized that he had already lost in the race against the tortoise. But the hare with the last bit of strength tries to struggle. For him there was a lack of 1 second to win, and the satisfied face of the tortoise doesn't need any explanations. The hare lost because of his haste and underestimation of his rival. I would like to thank the jury for evaluation of my work. It means a lot to me as for the young artist.